Are you getting QuickBooks Error 61686 while installing or updating QuickBooks Desktop? This installation error can stop the setup process completely and prevent you from using QuickBooks. The good news is that it's usually related to Windows components like the .NET Framework or MSXML, and in most cases, it's completely fixable. In this video, I'll explain what causes QuickBooks Error 61686 and walk you through the most effective solutions step by step. So, let's get started. QuickBooks Error 61686 is an installation or update error that usually appears when QuickBooks Desktop cannot install required Microsoft components. In many cases, the error is caused by a damaged Framework.xml file, corrupted .NET Framework, damaged MSXML components, outdated Windows files, or Windows installer issues. Before trying advanced troubleshooting, make sure your computer is connected to the internet and you're logged into Windows with administrator privileges. Let's begin with the simplest solution. First, check for Windows updates. An outdated version of Windows may be missing important files required for the latest QuickBooks release. Open Settings, select Windows Update, click Check for Updates, install every available update, and then restart your computer before trying the installation again. If the error still appears, repair the Microsoft.NET Framework. Open the Control Panel, go to Programs and Features, and select Turn Windows Features on or off. Locate .NET Framework 4.5 or later. If it's already enabled, disable it temporarily, restart your computer, then enable it again and restart once more. This refreshes the component and often fixes installation errors. Another highly recommended solution is using the QuickBooks Install Diagnostic tool. Download QuickBooks Tool Hub from Intuit's official website, install it, open the application, and select Installation Issues. Then run the QuickBooks Install Diagnostic tool. This utility automatically repairs Microsoft components like .NET Framework, MSXML, and C++ redistributables that QuickBooks relies on. If that doesn't resolve the issue, rename the Framework.xml file. Open File Explorer, navigate to the folder where the Framework.xml file is stored, locate the file, right-click it, and choose Rename. Add .old at the end of the file name, for example, framework.xml.old. Restart your computer and try installing QuickBooks again. Renaming the file forces Windows to create a fresh configuration file. Next, repair the Microsoft MSXML component. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Navigate to the syswow64 folder if you're using a 64-bit system, and register the MSXML6.dll file using the appropriate command. This repairs XML services required during QuickBooks installation. If you're still seeing error 61686, check your Windows registry and device drivers. Corrupted registry entries or outdated hardware drivers can interfere with the installation process. Update your graphics, storage, and chipset drivers through Device Manager or your computer manufacturer's support website. It's also a good idea to scan your computer for malware. Run the Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool, or Microsoft Defender, to detect and remove any malicious software that could be blocking QuickBooks installation. Finally, if Windows Installer itself is damaged, reinstall the affected Windows Installer program. Open Programs and Features, uninstall the application associated with the installation error if applicable, restart your computer, and reinstall it. Once completed, try installing QuickBooks again. By following these solutions in order, most users can successfully resolve QuickBooks Error 61686 and complete the QuickBooks installation or update without any further issues.